What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.035, down 2.3 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 241 billion. 24-hour volume is down here at 89 million. If you're new to Bitkit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonus. Make your first deposit, email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. No VPN required for my US traders. Let's pop into the chart. So what we're looking at, let me zoom out a little bit, is a potential ending diagonal where we come down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the only pattern leading and ending where the wave 4 can break into the wave 1. And they consist of ABCs. So if we zoom in here, if we are potentially looking at a wave 5 down, what I'd be looking at is you came down in a 5-wave move into an A. This was a B. And you're looking to come down in a 5-wave move down to a C. Now, sub-wave counts can be inaccurate, but I'd potentially be looking at a 1 into a 2. Let me quickly measure this. See if we've met a wave 3 target. Okay. Yeah, so potentially we haven't made it down to a wave 3 target, which is the 1.618, about 32 cents. So we could potentially come a little bit deeper and then bounce and then put in a final wave 5. Oh, this got messed up here. Wave A. So I'm just going to quickly use my brush so it doesn't confuse you guys here. So with, wave B. So within a wave C is 5 waves. So potentially you could be looking at a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking for a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete that final wave 5 down. We do have a bullish divergence here on the 1 hour time frame, so we can bounce at any time and it would still count as a wave 5 to the downside. So as you can see here, we created a lower low, significantly higher low on the RSI as well as the money flow. And if we look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see that as well. You have a significant bullish divergence. So you could see a nice little bounce off this double bottom and then potentially push back up into this falling wedge pattern. Now we have broken down underneath the pattern once again. So if we were to see some swift sell-off here, what you do is take the measurement of the body and take it over to the point of breakout, and that would take Gala all the way down to 0.019. Personally, you guys might not like to hear this, but I would absolutely love for that to happen. You could purchase Gala at even cheaper prices, as it is one of my top and my favorite metaverse projects, and that would bring you down another 47%. So you would have to see a Bitcoin come down to about, I think, 13 to 14K to see Gala come down at least another 40 to 50%. It's still possible. If that were to play out, I wouldn't count this as an ending diagonal. Personally, what I'd look at here is that you came down in a wave 1, wave 2. This is a wave 3, and then you had your wave 4 pullback, and you had a leading diagonal into a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback, and then you would come down. Ooh, let me draw that out one more time. Leading diagonal into a 1, wave 2 pullback, then you would come down in a 3, 4, 5 to bring you down to that price target here and a completion of the wave 5. So what the bulls need to see here for Gala is for us to bounce back up into this pattern here and push back up to this level of resistance, which could give you more confirmation that the ending diagonal is complete. Because if we do break down, if Bitcoin were to see some swift sell-off here, then that's when Gala can come all the way down to 0.019, which would just be a massive, massive buying opportunity in my opinion. But as of right now, we do have some nice bullish divergences. So if we can push back up into this pattern, then there is a higher likelihood of pushing back up to that level of resistance of the falling wedge, which is of course a bullish pattern here. And if we look at our daily indicators, we can see with the RSI, let me quickly remove this line here, that we are trending towards oversold, and that can usually lead to a bounce. If we give a couple examples here, we have to really zoom in on this one, but as you can see right here, we're quite oversold and we saw a nice bounce. Doesn't always lead to a bounce, especially in a downtrend. As you can see right here, we did see a little bit of a bounce, but we got rejected by the EMAs. That was another thing I wanted to show you guys here with Gala, is we're continually getting rejected by the 20 EMA rejection on the daily. Rejection broke above it, got back above the 55, wasn't able to hold it, fake out, rejection once again. So until we can get back above the EMAs on the daily, then we'll continue to hit them as resistance, and that can continue to push the price down. But once you get back above the EMAs and you have the bullish cross, it's a stronger signal on the daily of seeing a nice juicy pump to the upside. So that's it for Gala Games. Make sure to sign up to BitGet. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email and free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, you can sign up through the Patreon link. You can get early access to my analysis, as well as you can see what I'm doing with my trades and take a look at my HODL alt positions as well. If that interests you, sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.